So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off by taking out these to see where I'm at. Hopefully this cutoff will work because the wire is bad. Oh, it's not working. It has a short. I might have to fix that first. Well, apparently I overamped it one time and it melted the connector. So the power's off. It's not plugged in. I want to get this cleaned up because it's very annoying. We got all our mating surface cleaned up, ready to go. Bolt it in the car and tack it in place and then test seat it. See if it moves and stuff like that. It's going to be something like this. I test fitted it, seated. I am lower in the car. That's good. I guess I have more headroom. It'd be safer in a crash, but hopefully we don't. I pray to God that we don't. We should be okay. And also, we're just gonna clean up the metals and weld it in. Alright, so I'm trying to mock up the front seat. Gotta hurry up because I know time is gonna start flying. I'm pretty sure. So I'm measuring this. It's about 9. Same, 9.5. I'll make it. Alright, about 9. I'll make sure we get this right. Alright, let's put the bolts in. Go ahead and put the bolts in. Let's be about there. We might tack it in the car. I just gotta hope all this stuff isn't flammable. Alright, the car is cleaned up pretty well. I'm going to probably vacuum it out too. I got our plates in. I'm gonna tack them and weld them. I got a fire retardant blanket. I'm not sure how flammable this rubber stuff is. And after I get the seat done, take it for a little test ride. And then check for if there's any leaks that need to be attended, and then it's getting the little rubber stuff off so I can make plates and weld in and prepare for the roll bar. We got 2 hours. 2 hours. It's looking decent. It's not looking good, but it's looking decent. What I mean by that is how much I'm getting done. Alright, I got to notch the piece here so I can get these to fit in between. Then I'm going to weld on the outside here just so they stay in. Make sure it's strong. So. Alright, so I'm going to have it in like that, tack it in place, and once it's tacked in place, unbolt it and weld it. Alright, so I got the sparkle seat in. It's test fitted, looking okay. Get in. This is my eyes view, right where my eyes are. Oh, sorry about that. This is my eyes view. So I'm definitely lower, so it gives it a more sportier look. So you kind of feel like you're in a car that's not 50 feet in the air, you know, exaggerating, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's how it looks. It looks okay. Looks pretty good. Pretty dang good. So as you can see, it does move forward and back. It's very close to this right here, but I believe this should work. Now I just gotta weld it completely in. Once that's welded, we only have an hour, so we got tires to worry about. We still have to check that leak to see if that's leaking or not and how bad. If it's leaking kind of bad, we'll JB weld it. If it's not leaking that much, we'll leave it alone. I don't know where the leak was coming from. It might have been old or just accumulated. And then I'm gonna see if I can get the roll bar situated. You know, I hope I can get it in. I may not be able to. It all depends, really. So we'll see. Alrighty. If I can't get the roll bar in time, then I'm probably not going to cut the rear roof. I'm probably going to leave it for this event. We need as much strength as we can. But we should be okay. I'm going to take it easy. I'm not going to go hard. And just fill the car out and increase the amount that the amount of swing and throwing the car around, increase the amount based on how it performs. We'll go from there. I was told by a friend and coworker at work that stitch welding is a safe bet. So if one weld fails, it won't pull the whole weld off. It'll just pull one weld off, and we'll just inspect it, you know, every once in a while to make sure that it's still secure every run and pretty much throughout the times I drive the car. So stitch welding, weld a little bit, leave a small gap, weld a little bit, leave a small gap, weld a little bit, and so forth. That's one way to do it. You can run a whole bead. You can run a whole bead, but at different times. That's another attempt, but for now, I'm gonna do it like this, and it should be okay. I'm gonna put the new rack on. Blast everything with sandable primer. That's seriously okay. So, I just dropped off the tires. Now I'm going to get some money and get some food. We're running short on time. We're behind already. I haven't put the roll bar in yet, but we'll see what I can do.